It's October 16th, 2013, and we're having a little typhoon today. So before I go to work, I'm going to ride around a little bit and see if I can document a little bit. Question is which way to go. There's the river, the canal rather, outside of my room. We got some kind of flooding going on down here all morning. I know there's a tunnel, and I can imagine that tunnel's just flooded. Wow. Yep. It's a bit of a gridlock. Okay, where do I want to go? I'm going to cross here. Hi. わかりました。So there's a drain there apparently. Wow, that whole tunnel is flooded. And let me tell you, that tunnel is really, really deep. That tunnel is probably it's like 20 feet deep or so. So maybe 7 meters deep. That's crazy. Make sure I'm still filming. So people are coming down doing the ramp. The water's not so deep here. I'm probably gonna get my feet wet. I've got boots. I probably should have brought them. Wow, there's the tunnel. That's crazy. I'll show you a video of this tunnel later on, how deep it is. It's really, really deep. That's insane. top and see what it looks like. Jump on there. I guess if I had a brain, I'd worn some waterproof boots, but that's okay. That's the tunnel right there. That's crazy. That whole tunnel is flooded. See, I hate that tunnel. It's really dangerous. You get two cars going opposite directions, and you got people on each side and bikes. I mean, and motorcycles. It's insane. Filled up to the top. Somebody didn't do their maintenance. At least the main highway is not shut down. The main highway seems to be normal, although getting off of that exit's not. The sun actually is coming out. We're kind of in the eye of the typhoon right now. This is Chiba, and so we're in Chiba. And that's where the center of the storm is, so it may get a lot worse than the next 2 hours. Oh geez, same thing over here. Wow. Oh geez, there's a car stuck. That's a tunnel. Okay, there's a tunnel going under there. I know it's hard to believe. A tunnel for driving cars, I mean. There's no cars under there. So at that point over there, I mean, it's probably 20-25 feet below that is the surface of the road in the tunnel. So what? I guess this guy just not sure what that's about. Not sure where this guy's going either. Wow. Yeah, Japan has a very serious smoking problem. Alright, let's go around a bit more. See what they've got. Actually, let's go up to the station. Wow. I don't know if the station's shut down or not, but I honestly haven't heard a Tozai train today. But it's easy to ignore when you live here. It's actually really nice right now, temperature-wise. Sun's out. So this is Baraki Nakayama Station on the Tozai line, east of Tokyo in Chiba, which is sort of a suburb bedroom community. Not community, hell, it's huge. It's got millions of people. Supermarket's closed, wow. I guess the station's open. No. Alright, so I'm going to ride down to Tokyo Bay, the waterfront, see what's up there. It's about 10 minutes or so from here. I live at the most northern point of Tokyo Bay. That's what cars do, they come into your lane. Oh, that girl lives with me. Shouldn't get too deep. I mean, I know these streets. Wow. There's some major flooding here, man. I'm gonna start a new video.